How do you feel about winning?
¿Qué sientes por la victoria?
Estoy súper contento y más que nada una alegría bastante grande y bueno, o sea, intentar volver a conseguir que es lo más grande. Lo que he conseguido estamos bastante bien.
It's his first time in the podium. It's his first time in the World Cup final, and it's amazing. It's totally amazing. And right now, it's training again and again to in next seasons, in the next opportunities, and he's very happy.
What about the track? Did you like the track?
¿Qué opinas del circuito?
El circuito es bastante técnico y bueno, me gusta bastante, o sea, que creo que es un circuito bastante exigente y que bueno, que lo he hecho bastante bien y para las características del circuito creo que estoy contento y me gusta bastante.
He said it's incredible track. It's a very technical track. It's very slippery in the first corner, but it's very amazing to stay 4 people in the same time. And he said he likes very much.
Yeah, also Adidas.
So how does it feel to win?
Oh, awesome. I was kind of nervous, you know, before the race, and it's always first race of the season, and yeah, I'm pretty happy that everything went like the way I wanted to, so pretty stoked with that.
Coming back to Pogovarjali and Slovenia?
Yeah, always. Like, I love it here.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm looking forward to do.
First time in Slovenia?
No, last year as well. Yeah, so really good.
Is it getting better or worse?
Better, for sure. Good crowd.